Welcome to this meditation with Quiet Rose. Today, we're going to take a journey to the ocean, where the rhythmic sounds of waves will help wash away stress and tension from your body and mind. This visualization meditation is perfect for deep relaxation. Whether you're winding down after a long day, or simply need a peaceful escape from the demands of daily life. Allow yourself this time to be carried away by the gentle power of the ocean. Find a comfortable position where you can relax completely. You might lie down on your back with your arms at your sides, or sit comfortably in a chair with your feet flat on the floor. Close your eyes gently and allow your body to begin settling into this quiet space. Take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs slowly and completely. Feel your chest and belly expanding naturally, and exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension or stress you've been carrying. Take another slow, deep breath in, drawing in calmness and peace, and breathe out, letting go of any thoughts about your day or tomorrow. One more deep breath in, breathing in relaxation and tranquility. And as you exhale, allow your entire body to sink more deeply into whatever surface is supporting you. Feel yourself becoming heavier, more relaxed, more at ease. Now let your breathing return to its natural rhythm. Simply notice the gentle flow of your breath without trying to control it. Each breath is like a small wave, flowing in and flowing out naturally and effortlessly. Begin to imagine that you're walking along a beautiful, secluded beach. The sand beneath your feet is warm and soft, perfectly heated by the sun throughout the day. With each step, your feet sink slightly into this welcoming sand, creating small impressions that mark your peaceful journey along the shoreline. Look around and notice this beautiful place you've come to visit. The beach stretches endlessly in both directions, pristine and untouched. Seashells of various shapes and colors dot the sand, gifts from the ocean that sparkle softly in the gentle light. The air is clean and fresh, carrying the distinctive, soothing scent of salt water and sea breeze. Now turn your attention to the ocean before you. The water extends to the horizon, where it meets the sky in a soft, hazy line. The ocean is a beautiful shade of blue-green, clear and inviting. Small white caps appear and disappear as gentle waves roll toward the shore, each one slightly different from the last, yet all part of the same endless, rhythmic dance. Listen to the sound of these waves as they approach the beach. You can hear them building, growing in intensity as they roll forward, then softly breaking as they reach the sand. The water spreads across the beach in a thin, foamy layer before retreating back to join the next incoming wave. This sound is ancient and timeless, the same rhythm that has existed for millions of years. Allow this sound to fill your awareness completely. Let it wash through your mind the way the waves wash across the sand. Each wave that breaks carries away a little more tension, a little more stress, a little more worry. You don't need to hold on to these things anymore. The ocean is vast enough to receive whatever you need to release. Feel yourself becoming more and more relaxed as you listen to this eternal rhythm. Your breathing naturally synchronizes with the waves. You breathe in as a wave builds and rolls forward. You breathe out as it breaks and retreats. This connection to the ocean's rhythm allows your body to find its deepest state of relaxation. Now imagine sitting down on the warm sand, close enough to the water that the waves occasionally reach your feet. Feel the sun warming your skin, not too hot, but just the perfect temperature to help your muscles relax completely. A gentle breeze flows across your body, cooling you slightly and carrying away any remaining tension. Each time a wave reaches your feet, imagine it's carrying away something you no longer need to hold on to. Perhaps it's stress from work, worry about relationships, fatigue from being too busy, or any heavy emotions you've been carrying. Let each wave gently pull these burdens away from you, dissolving them completely in the vast healing waters. As you continue to sit peacefully on this beautiful beach, notice how your entire body is responding to this serene environment. Your muscles are becoming softer, more relaxed. Your jaw releases any tightness. Your shoulders drop down, away from your ears. Your arms rest comfortably at your sides, completely supported. Your back settles more completely against the warm sand. Your hips and legs feel heavy and relaxed. Even your feet, touched occasionally by the cool ocean water, are completely at ease. It's as if the rhythm of the waves is massaging every part of your body, helping you release tension you didn't even know you were carrying. The sound of the waves continues its hypnotic pattern. In and out, building and releasing, approaching and retreating. This sound fills your entire being with peace. Your mind becomes as calm and vast as the ocean itself. Thoughts may arise like distant clouds, but they simply drift across your awareness without disturbing your deep sense of tranquility. Stay here for a few more moments, enjoying this perfect state of relaxation. Feel grateful for this peaceful refuge you can visit anytime you need to restore your energy and calm your mind. This beach exists within you always, ready to offer its healing presence whenever you call upon it. Notice how completely relaxed and peaceful you feel. Your body is soft and at ease. Your mind is quiet and clear. Your heart feels light and open. This is your natural state when you allow yourself to truly rest and let go of the day's accumulations of stress and tension. The ocean waves continue their endless, soothing rhythm, reminding you that you are part of something much larger than your daily concerns. You are connected to the natural world and its profound capacity for healing and renewal. Carry this feeling of connection and peace with you as you begin to return from this inner journey. Start to become aware of your physical body again, still feeling completely relaxed and at ease. Notice your breathing, which has become slower and deeper during this meditation. Feel the surface supporting your body, whether it's a bed, chair, or floor. You are safe and comfortable in your actual surroundings. Take a slow, deep breath and stretch gently if that feels good. Move your fingers and toes slightly, beginning to reconnect with your physical presence. The peace and relaxation you've cultivated will stay with you as you return to your day or evening. When you feel ready, slowly open your eyes and take a moment to appreciate this state of calm relaxation you've created. You can return to this inner beach anytime you need to wash away stress and reconnect with your natural state of peace. Thank you for taking this journey to the ocean with me today. May you carry this tranquility with you in all that you do.